welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cellar. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today, we're talking about Gruner Veltliner. I got the sun in my eyes, but this morning light was perfect, so I had to do the film. We've talked about Gruner on this channel before. And, Gruner Veltliner is a white grape that produces wines that can age really well, and I just don't think that most folks think of it that way. And I think we have to change how we're thinking about this wine as we move forward. Because Gruner Veltliner is one of the wines that I am buying right now for my cellar to enjoy some wines in the next 5 to 10 years. And this applies to high-end bottlings, right? But regular Gruner also benefits from a few years of rest. And to me, what happens when you age a Gruner Veltliner, it sort of ends up somewhere in between a Riesling and an unoaked or lightly oaked Chardonnay, and can appeal as a result, right, to lots of wine drinkers. Like I said, this is why I'm currently adding a bunch of Gruner bottles to my cellar. You can get, and even some of the bottles that you buy for $18, lay them down or just stand them up, because a lot of them have screw caps, and you can enjoy them in the future, right? In about 5 years' time. Give them 3 to 5 years. Now, so far from my experience, the Comtal region is the one that I've enjoyed the most. Now, I'm still getting educated on whether it's single vineyards and the best regions within Austria for Gruner. In those cases, like I'm leaning into the top producers that I know, rather than kind of relying on other publications and reviews that folks are writing. So I want to start, or there are really 4 that I want to focus on. Loimer is one. Schloss Gobelsberg, as you see here, with this bottle I have in my cellar already. Weingut Brundelmeier, and Marcus Huber. Now, these are the 4 producers that I tend to focus on. They're somewhat easy to find and widely available. But in the end, I'd love to know your thoughts on these wines and whether you're buying any of them for your cellar, or you think I'm just, off base, full of crap, and I should just shut up and stop talking about underrated grapes for your cellar. Because this is going to be a theme. You're going to see a bunch of these videos over the coming month, because I'm assessing, my buying for this year, dealing with some of the noise around tariffs, and figuring out more of a strategy. So thanks so much for joining. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.